Alert activity on in the vicinity of the airport. Advise controller on initial contact to have information Oscar.
Timber ground, Cherokee 423 Foxtrot Lima is at hangar parking with Oscar looking for a northwest departure.
Number 423 Foxtrot Lima, Timber ground. Taxi to runway 33 right via taxiway Delta. Cross runway 22 right and 22 left at Delta.
Taxi runway 33 right via Delta, cross runway 22 left and 22 right on Delta, 3 Foxtrot Lima. Actually, come click down. Yep. We're close to line. Timber Tower, Cherokee 423 Foxtrot Lima, holding short runway 33 right on Delta radio.
Number 423 Foxtrot Lima, runway 33 right, clear for takeoff. Current wind check 26013, gust 22, variable from 250 to 330.
It's very clear for takeoff, and thank you for the check, Foxtrot Lima. I'm going to push the nose down just a hair to keep us on the ground.
Roger, sir. If you'd like to contact Milwaukee 125.35, safe flight.
Over to 2565, 3 Foxtrot Lima, see you later. A big bird. Milwaukee approach, Cherokee 423 Foxtrot Lima, the VFR request.
No, it's Cherokee 425 Foxtrot Lima.
It's going to be 423 Foxtrot Lima and looking for a VFR flight following up to Kilo Delta Lima Lima.
Number 423 Foxtrot Lima, maintain VFR, clock 4661.
4661, 3 Foxtrot Lima, and maintain VFR.
2361, turn left heading 270, retrograde climb.
The wind shears you'll be getting
3270, 2360, you'll get me.
3 Foxtrot Lima, radar contact, 5 miles north of Terminal Airport. Maintain VFR, proceed on course Del, and say request a cruising altitude.
Go up to 4500, 3 Foxtrot Lima.